What's good, YouTube? Welcome to Double Up with Astro, and today I would like to thank y'all for watching this video. I wanted to show you a strategy that I've been using for quite some time, and it's dealing with the traffic ad bar. And traffic ad bar is a traffic exchange where you can be able to exchange traffic to be able to get credits so other people can see your opportunity. And with this traffic exchange, it allows you to be seen once you be able to get more points and more hits to your site. And one of the good features that I like about this program is they have this ladder where you can be able to climb once you receive lots of points, and you get to accelerate to the top when you have points. And if you can see at the top bar, they have websites right here. They have points. They also have your hits. You can see it all located at the top tab, and you get a certain amount of points for every time you see another person's ad. So I'm gonna show you an example what I'm talking about. So I'm clicking on this ad, and it shows a timer where once the clock goes down, then you will be receiving your points, and you can check out, how many hits that you're getting. You can also see your positioning for today, and I believe every day you rise up as your points accumulate. Okay. Well, what I wanted to show you is a strategy that I use that I can promote one of my links that can show plenty of opportunities that I'm a part of just by one link. And I'm gonna show you how. Before I do that, I'm gonna go back here in the back, and I'm gonna let you see how you can get your websites posted. Now, once I click on websites, you're gonna go over to your websites. Click on that, and as you see, these are the websites that you can actually put and embed into the system. And the one that's highlighted in yellow, that's going to be your primary URL. This is going to be the main traffic. Once you go back into the traffic exchange and getting points, those points will be going to whatever you got selected as your primary link. Okay, so once I click here to earn points, I'm going to also show you the level ladder. And I'm going to show you where you can be able to get your levels rised up. Now, you can see right here, I got my link right here at level 9, level 8, level 6, and so forth. And once you click on them levels, you can see your placement. So as you can see, I'm on level 5 with this traffic, and it shows me the amount of points and how many points I got to go to rise up to top so I could pass that next level. All right. So that is one way you can use traffic ad bar. Now, you want to be able to accumulate more points. Now, one of the ways you can do that is by going to your email address, and you will have traffic ad bar because they'll be sending you daily emails. And once you check those emails out, you're going to click on those emails, and you can be able to earn massive amount of points. So I will advise you could get in this program just with the free membership, and you can earn today with just the free membership. But if you want to get more points accumulated in a fast pace, then you want to upgrade your level. Okay, so as you can see with my website, I'm gonna scroll right back over again. I have one of my links embedded into the system. Okay, so which brings me to this free link rotator, where I could take one link and I can apply more of my opportunities just in one link. And each time someone clicks or on that link, it's going to rotate all of my sites. So that way I don't have to have all of these links everywhere. I can promote one link and all my businesses flows in one link. And I'm going to show you with Top Dogs. This is Top Dogs Rotator. And this is a free link rotating site where you could drive traffic to all of your offers. And these are plenty offers that I have that's with different systems that I'm a part of, different opportunities. And I got different credits that's driving me tons of traffic with this system. So you can see as I scroll in the back office here, you can see all the programs that I'm a part of. You can see that I can assign credits as much as remove. Right here, all the way at the top, these are how many credits that I could be able to assign to each of my opportunities. This right here, this where you promote, you earn right here, and also you can earn points just by viewing other people's opportunity as well on this platform. So this is one strategy that I use to collide traffic ad bar with Top Dogs Rotator. Both of these opportunities have helped me. I have earned commissions with Top Dogs Rotator. I can show you here in the back. I got signups. You can see back here I have signups right here in the back. I have also a pro member that had decided to join with me in the Top Dogs, and you get, I believe it's 10%, what, 15%, I believe. No, it's right here, yeah. 10% sales signups. So just think how powerful that is. You earn 30% commissions up to $44 a sale. You get 3% of each package sold up to 30,000 hits each time. You also get 10% on sales that your signups refer. So that's very, very powerful for those that want to build up leverage with this program. All right. So Top Dogs is also a free site to be a part of, but they also have some upgrades that you can, apply for if you want to see massive traffic. It's optional. It's not really mandatory, but you can start just by having the free membership levels. So both of these links will be in the link in the description below. Once you check out Traffic Ad Bar. If you want to get tons of traffic to your affiliate links, this is one good way that you can use the traffic exchange and get the amount of exposure to your business without the big hassles on paid promotion, because a lot of people starting off on internet marketing don't have the amount of budget to be able to market and to the masses to get a large amount of traffic, and I know how hard it is when you first starting out. So this is one easy, simple way you can get traffic to your business. So that's what I wanted to show you guys. I wanted to show you how you can use Traffic Ad Bar along with Top Dogs Rotator to get the amount of traffic, and you can use one link to get your link in the rotation with many opportunities that you're a part of just by one link. All right. So if you'd like to get started with both Top Dogs Rotator and Traffic Ad Bar, the link in the description will be below. If you have any comments, leave your comments in the comment section. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and hit that like and subscribe button for more strategies and upcoming tips and tricks that I use for my daily marketing routine. All right. This is Double O with Astro. I see you guys in the next video.